and that's what he does for Norway.
All right, there you are. That big traditional celebration then is coming up for the Norwegian fans. Yeah, if you were looking forward to this in the 80th minute, but there was so much pressure still up in the stand, Salomon. This tradition alone keeps the nation moving.
Well, that's what they brought at the World Cup, and unfortunately we have the experience. Cote d'Ivoire have that experience the game before.
Yeah,
it's nice to see that they come with the tradition, but also the team is playing the way the tradition translates.
Yeah, and obviously the captain, Martin Odegaard, has always been the one leading this. So Bongani, for him to go and pick Haaland, who obviously has scored twice and taken them to the next round, pure leadership.
Yeah, I think that's a beautiful gesture, and I guess it just shows the unity that they have, and that's obviously what's brought them to this point.
Football is absolutely cruel. There are so many Brazilian fans still in the stadium and watching this, so it's double paying Sean Bartlett, but that is what a defeat at the FIFA World Cup looks like. All right, let's quickly take you to New Jersey now, and we can listen in to those celebrations.
Gives me goosebumps. It gives me goosebumps. The only time I do that action is like.
There you are, the celebrations will carry throughout the night, not just in New Jersey, but obviously in Oslo as well. Sean Bartlett, we all love it, but I could be honest when I say you love it the most.
No, you listen, this is what every footballer grows up to want to be involved in. And there you can even see it, celebrating Nyland as well. You know, what he did for the team. Haaland scored the goals, but we always say, you know, in order to win matches, you need a disciplined defense and a great keeper. That, unbelievable saves, even saving a possible own goal. So it's Alfie Haaland, Erling's dad as well. He's having the time of his life. But yeah, it's an evening and it's a day that Norway will remember for many years to come.
Perfect time to have that.